is he exactly?
His name is Bill Thompson. He's a manager.
Why is he so important?
He'll open doors for me, get me into auditions that I wouldn't be able to get into. Got me some good headshots.
I see. What's his name?
Bill Thompson. He's with Thompson and Gold. If you want to look him up, they're good.
Kettle's boiling.
Where's Elena?
I'm making myself a cup of tea.
Cool. Where's, your caretaker?
Elena's not here today. Her daughter's sick. She's at the doctor.
So you're alone?
I can make myself a cup of tea.
Okay. You want to check out my headshot? If I send you a link, can you open the file, download the file?
Yes.
Good. Okay, there you go. I'll talk to you later, okay? I love you.
Bye.
Bye.